Good morning, everyone. I'm Gaurav Bisa from InCred Equities. Nifty witnessed incremental pressure. However, there was a bounce back that was seen from 23,950 kind of levels. Nifty was looking lucrative around 23,800, 850 levels, but unfortunately, those levels were not seen. Else, it would have been a very lucrative buy. It would have been a retest of the breakout for Sensex as well as Nifty. Multiple positives that came during the weekend. One, there was a ceasefire. There was a brief period of ceasefire violation, but then things cooled off quite considerably. And in the last a day or two, we have not seen any escalation from either side, especially from the Pakistan side, because India has been maintaining its restraint. It's only giving befitting reply, but we were not escalating things. uh, Donald Trump tweeted that he was the one who mediated the ceasefire. Uh, Whatever the credit goes, the good part is uh, we had very little damage, and that would also result in the sentiments being calm and composed. We have not seen a tremendous fall sort of coming in. So from 24,500, we went towards 24,000. 2% downside is what we witnessed. A similar such small downside can be attributed to technical reasons also, small events also. So the fact that we did not see panic, that shows that things were done in a very matured manner. The other positive was there are reports coming around that US has arrived at a deal with China, trade deal, and the details will come to know later on. For now, that will give a very good sentimental boost. But as we all know, that these things can take any turn, especially when there are volatile partners. China, who is known for being very volatile, and so is Donald Trump. So again, that becomes subjective, qualitative. It's very difficult to ascribe a value to what that happens. But at this point in time, Gift Nifty is pointing towards 450 points upside as we speak. So in all likelihood, we'll open on a positive note, gap up note, and we may see 24,350 kind of levels in the opening. Interesting will be to see whether we are sustaining those levels or not. If we manage to sustain about these levels, then probably 24,800 is what we'll be seeing in the coming days. Else, we may see some more time correction sort of coming in. If you look at the broader markets, they have also seen some underperformance, profit booking in line with what we have been talking about for a while now. So that also after a correction that will also look interesting. I would not be keen in chasing Nifty, Bank Nifty, Sensex at this point in time. Let the things settle down. If we see on hourly charts or smaller time frame charts, if there's divergence that is coming around, probably we may initiate a short. But as of now, it's going to be wait and watch for us. The overall sentiment, as I said, the texture of the market remains positive. Whether we talk about US, whether we talk about India, and the uptrend remains intact. FIs were net sellers of 3,800 crores worth in cash on Friday. Domestic bought around 7,200 crores worth in cash. Uh, Apart from this, even the financials are going to be the key to watch out for. Uh, Nifty Financial Services, Nifty Bank, all of them are approaching critical support area. If these are sustained, that can also give a push to equity markets. So interesting times ahead. Let us see how today's close is seen. That is going to be critical to assign whether we are going to see continued upside or we may see some profit booking going forward. And that will be from my side. Thank you.
Investments in securities market are a subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.